It's our scratch and dent sale, 30% off. So I wanted to show you what a scratch and dent wallet looks like. So nothing actually wrong with this wallet except for the mismatching color slightly. And just small cosmetic flaws. And if anything, it makes them more unique and more original. And plus, within the first week, they're gonna be more beat up than any scratch and dent product we sell anyway. So check it out below, 30% off while supplies last. Scratch and dent sale. Mystery box from a mystery brand full of mystery products, because the brand is Vanuba, but I've never heard of Vanuba. But we got a box. And also, completely unrelated, this brand, Mystery Ranch, I've got a few of their backpacks. I use this one for hiking. I take my iPad to work. I've got my gimbal in it at all times, just in case I gotta take some random shots of some random boots I'm wearing. And I really like the closure on these. I've got two front zippers like this. The bigger version I have, I have one or two. I've got one really big backpacking one, and it has a third zip down the middle. I like these backpacks a lot. They're pretty pricey. You know, they're not cheap. I put a little carabiner on there because I'm always strapping down jackets and coats and attaching like boots. You know, I'll use these little carabiners for putting the boots on there. Put a little air tag on there so it doesn't go missing. Yeah, pretty cool brand. I don't really know much about them. I just got it. I got one backpack. I got that small one at Shields. I got the bigger one that I have for actually like hunting I got it from Sportsman's Warehouse, I think. And they're a cool brand, so I thought I'd show them to you. Just get it on your radar. Eventually we'll probably get to boots on the brain 24/7. Eventually we'll get to backpacks and stuff. I think, maybe, hard to say. So Vanuba, there's how you spell it. Vanuba samples. So who be Vanuba? Vanuba. Oh, they're slippers. And not English? That looks like Cerulean. I'm already out of my depth by saying the word Cerulean. Is that even a word? Cyrillic. That's what I meant to say. The modern Cyrillic alphabet, Russian, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Serbian have been modified somewhat from the original, generally by the loss of some superfluous letters. So yeah, I actually don't know what I'm talking about. So, turns out. Okay, where are they from? About us. Vanuba is a Polish footwear brand associated with nature, high quality and comfort. Manual sewing of sheep leather makes Vanuba home footwear not only comfortable but durable, but a frequent choice as a synonym for a slow life. But a frequent choice as a synonym for slow life and hygge lifestyle. A search for pleasure in everyday life. What is that word, hygge? Feeling of coziness. Huga. Phew, I was way off on that. Danish. Our customers choose Vanuba products because of unique design to make the home footwear stylish, idyllic. Vanuba customers also important that shoes are produced in Poland and support the local market. Polish, okay. The foundation of the success of Vanuba brand has been built on multi-generation values of the Rusnik family company from Noe Targ, who for over 25 years have placed important experience, tradition, and their own technology development for years. Always with care in the smallest details and manual selection of the highest quality leathers and diligent production process to the perfect final designer product. Okay, Polish. So kind of interesting. Shearling from Vanuba, similar to the somewhat Polish brand Gorel that makes the mugs. So we'll see. We got some idea of like what quality shearling looks like and feels like. How much they roughly cost? Men's shearling. Oh, those are kind of cool. I hope I got one of these. Not crazy priced. 50, 60 euros. Cool. All right. Well, let's just see them. Let's get to it. I don't have many knives here. I actually took them all home. So we'll just bring out the old trusty Gerber. I like this knife still. It just doesn't do it as well as I'd like to. So this is why we started that little mini knife series that at some point is for sure going to come out. I just don't know when. Doing the bad habit thing, but I'm not going to stop until I lose an eyeball. Okay, out of the box. You know what a really cool knife was I unboxed recently was the Christie knife. That thing was so cool. Fourth generation, same with the Hokage. Oh gosh, I forgot how to say it. I don't know, that one like Japanese knife that Naked and Famous sent me that I also happen to be buying at the exact same time. We've unboxed some really cool knives recently, especially that Christie knife. I'm always a sucker. I need to put a new blade in this. I literally can't even cut tape. That's why I like these knives. You don't ever have to sharpen them, you just put a new blade in. Woo, got a lot of boxes. 1, 2. Okay, let's put this on the ground actually. Let's see how many we got. The shop is gonna be happy with these. People are gonna get some nice slippers. So, let's just start opening up boxes and see what we got. Vanuba, made in Poland. So they are actually made in Poland. They're not like made somewhere else and sold out of Poland, which is nice. Woo! Look at those little slippers. Kind of like your Tasman. This would be like your Tasman killers, you know? Very soft, supple shearling. That's a really malleable, like very, very tumbled and very light shearling. But it's very similar to what we use on the Smugs, actually. I wouldn't be surprised if it's from the same tannery. There's only so many shearling makers that are really, really good out there. That's cool. I like that little thing. Okay, next. Little taller version. There's a little gusset right there. This is different. This like kind of pebbled look. If I'm being honest with you, that looks like it's like been printed on. I don't think it is, but whoever's editing this, put the macro lens on that. That almost looks like that texture's like printed on top. But a little bit taller, you know, a little bit higher top by maybe an inch. Got a little gusset there to let your entry be a little easier. This is very similar shearling to what we put in the Smugs and the Slugs. So what I'm saying is it's good. Looks like it's good quality. Let's try this pair. I guess I could tell you how much they cost, huh? So these are the Sheepskin slippers, 53 euros, which is roughly 60 bucks. Oh, those are cheap. Wow, way cheaper than I thought. Pretty decent deal. Ooh, real slippers. So it's got the edge binding rather than a cup sole. You know, this is more similar to Uggs. They have that little edge binding that's glued down. Rubber outsole. So these are more than just house slippers. You could wear these out. Let's do a little pull test on the shearling. Okay, that is a pretty firm shearling, or at least how it's attached. Pass that test. How much are these ones? 51 euros. These are the Newcastle slippers. Oh boy, I see one I really like. Hopefully I send me that one. Oxford. Actually, it's very similar vibes to a little concept that I'm playing with. Let's see what these ones are. Probably another slipper. Yep. Fully shearling lined. What is this material on the upper? Is it anything of any note? Is it leather? Natural sheepskin? I think maybe it is printed. Like cause this looks like shearling. Do they print on top of shearling? I didn't know that was a thing. And print in quotations, you know, it's probably like a sublimation process or like similar to like a screen printing process. But let's do a little burn test and find out. That smells like wool. I think it is. I think that's like printed shearling. Wow. Learn something new every day. I had no idea. Okay, the big boxes. These are the ones that have my interest peaked because I didn't see anything on their site that was that tall. Vanuba, big box. Let's go. Are they a pair of Uggs? What? It's neither. It's the sheepskin. It's the shearling. Whoa. That is very cozy. What is this for? Oh, come back. Oh, it's a baby seat cover? Relugan? It's probably not how you say it. Relugan sheepskin has been known for centuries for its wide medicinal use. Relugan, that's definitely how you say it. Relugan, healing skin is characterized by its fluffy, thick, soft fur, perfectly warms your body, making it naturally, doesn't really say what this is. Maybe just send us like some samples to show you guys. Oh, it's got the logo on it. Maybe it's a, I don't know what this is. Well, I know what it is, it's shearling. I just don't know what the purpose is. I'll take it either way. I'll throw these on my bedroom floor. I'll make something out of them. All right, it's cool either way. I'll take it. I love shearling a lot. As you guys probably heard me gush about wool and shearling plenty of times. So then what's in this other big box? It feels like more shearling. Let's find out. More shearling. More sheepskin. Ooh, this is a big one. Wow. The amount of like, what do they call it? Oh, I can't remember what the word is. Like how thick the fur is. It feels like memory foam. Like when I push down on this, it bounces back. That's how thick this wool is. Editor, get some macro shots of these little fibers. You can see like they're all curly and kinky. And the density is insane. Like you push on this compared to the trimmed production wool. It's like, this feels like it's like 3 inches thick. It's not, it just feels that way. That's cool. I don't really know what those are or what they're for. Let me see if I can find it on their site. Okay, there's rugs. It's not a rug, it's not in the rugs. Okay, medicinal sheepskin rug. No, didn't say rug. Relugan. I don't understand what this is. Home decoration that has healing properties. Sheepskin is known for centuries of wide medical use, fluffy, thick, whatever. It's natural ally in the fight against rheumatological and blood circulation problems. I think it's just like a throw, like shearling. Like I think you can throw it on the back of your couch, use it for like a little rug. It can be successfully used as a foot mat, seat cover, or bed cover, chair cover, wheelchair, and even a driver's seat. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so they just sound like the raw materials, and you can kind of use it how you want, which I'm all for. I'll put this in my condo somewhere. Toaster will love it and destroy it immediately. Oh, but they didn't send me the one I was really kind of piqued my interest. I'll show it to you. But yeah, these are crazy affordable for what you get. This is not that cheap shearling that sheds. All these, I didn't test this one. But yeah, you can see, there's still some initial hairs coming out, but nothing compared to like a fake shearling. So let me show you the ones I liked. Maybe we can get them to send me a pair. This is the one that is interesting to me. It's just like, I don't know, it's got a unique little look. But now that I'm looking at it, I honestly kind of like the look of these ones better. I think this one's my favorite one. But I swear, this looks like it's printed, and this definitely is, to at least like sublimated or dyed. Maybe printed isn't the right word. Maybe dyed is the right word. But these panels especially, like if you look really close, it looks like you see little dots that you see on like a printer. But yeah, cup sole construction, kind of the UGG construction. These come with a really, look at that. They're for sure gonna claim it's a cork insole with like a smattering, you know the word I'm trying to say. A smattering, maybe I don't know what it is. A sprinkling of cork in the rubber. But that is really soft and squishy. Ooh, pretty innovative, to be honest. Pretty innovative. The removable, easy to clean insole made of sheepskin. Ultra soft TP gel. Okay, that's what it is. It's thermopolyurethane gel. With like a little bit of cork on the inside, it looks like. They don't even claim it's cork or anything, but got these little holes to give you a little bit of squish. Pretty impressive. Sidewall stitched. So, not too shabby at all. 50 euros. So, shout out to Vanuba for sending all this in and let me unbox it to show you guys, because they do clearly have some really affordable shearling and sheepskin products that are like really good shearling. I'm not the biggest expert in the world with shearling, but we've cut apart all the various Uggs. We've cut apart our mugs and slugs. And so I know to some degree what a good and bad shearling looks like, and this is like pretty decent. It may not be the highest quality shearling in the world, but it's less than $100. So I think some of you guys are gonna like those. So yeah, thanks again to Vanuba for sending these in. Check them out, be links in the description. If you guys want to see me cutting these in half, let me know, because if this video doesn't get any views, I won't. But if it gets a lot of views and a lot of interest and you guys want to see inside of these, then I will. So thank you guys for watching this, kind of letting me geek out and unbox some stuff, have some fun, and delve deeper into the shearling world. So thank you guys. See ya. Yo, hand lick. That actually hurt. It was not worth it.